Hey all, today we're looking at this. This is a third-party replacement remote for Google Chromecast. Let's open it up. There we have it, right here. So we have our third-party remote and we have the manual. Okay, so this is the third-party remote. Here is the battery compartment, an official original Google Chromecast remote, and here's a third-party replacement. As you can see here, the button's not quite as flush, and it doesn't feel quite as nice in the hand. This material is smooth. This is a bit rough and plasticky feeling. Why am I replacing my remote? This one went through the wash and isn't working anymore, so I need to use this one. So let's change out the batteries, take them from the original, pop them into the replacement, and now we can test it out. Okay, so the manual says press the auto pairing button on the device, so I assume that's on the back of the Chromecast. I guess we'll take a look. Okay, so there's a button on the back of the Chromecast, so we'll just push that. Okay, now we have a searching for accessories. We just push the back and home button on the replacement remote. And the replacement remote has shown up as Chromecast remote. Okay, so then a countdown starts and takes 10 seconds to pair to your Chromecast. Okay, it seems to be working as expected. All buttons are functioning. Let's see if the audio works. Test search.
You're coming in loud and clear.
Okay, so it looks like that worked. I wonder about the IR functionality, so let's see if we can get that working. So the Chromecast IR blaster was always a bit spotty with this TV in particular, but it seems even spottier with this remote. I can't get it to always work. I have to use it at just the right spot, and otherwise it does not seem to see it. So yeah, keep that in mind. But overall, if you've broken your original remote, this is a perfectly good replacement. I hope you liked the video and you learned how to pair your Chromecast remote.